How much ice will separate if a solution containing 25 gram of ethylene glycol in 100 gram of water is cooled to minus 10 degrees centigrade? Kf for water is given as 1.86. When solution of ethylene glycol is cooled to minus 10 degrees centigrade, then some amount of ice separates out. We can consider this temperature, that is minus 10 degrees centigrade, as the freezing point of the solution of ethylene glycol in water. Now, freezing point of the solution is minus 10 degrees centigrade, and depression in freezing point, that is delta Tf, is equal to freezing point of pure solvent minus freezing point of solution. Freezing point of pure solvent क्या है? Freezing point of pure solvent है 0 degree centigrade because the solvent is water, minus अब freezing point of solution given है minus 10 degree centigrade, तो ये हो जाएगा minus 10 degree centigrade. Therefore, freezing point depression will be equal to 10 degree centigrade. This is the value of delta Tf. Now, let us assume that the weight of ice that separates out, let it be x grams. Therefore, initially जो weight of water था वो 100 gram था. Now, after x gram of ice separates out, the weight of water will be 100 minus x gram. So, at minus 10 degree centigrade, 25 gram of ethylene is present in 100 minus x gram of water. Now, molality of the solution will be equal to moles of solute. Solute क्या है? Solute है ethylene glycol, and moles of ethylene glycol हो जाएगा weight of ethylene glycol, that is 25 gram, divided by molecular weight of ethylene glycol, that is 62 gram per mole, divided by weight of solvent in kgs. Now weight of solvent here is 100 minus x gram, और इसको kg में convert करेंगे. For that we will divide it by 1000. So molality is equal to 25 into 1000 divided by 62 into in brackets 100 minus x. Now depression in freezing point is equal to Kf into m. Therefore m will be equal to delta Tf divided by Kf. Now from equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 both are showing the molality of the solution. Therefore equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Putting the values, we get 25 into 1000 divided by 62 into in brackets 100 minus x is equal to 10 divided by 1.86. Solving 100 minus x is equal to 75 gram. Therefore, x is equal to 100 minus 75, that is 25 grams. So, amount of ice that separates out from a solution of 25 gram of ethylene glycol in 100 gram of water when it is cooled to minus 10 degree centigrade is 25 gram.